Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to view your pages side by side in Adobe InDesign. So now I will need you to open a new document, or just I will need you to change your document settings by following these simple steps. So basically, as you can see here, my spreads are as follow. So my pages are being grouped 2 by 2 in my documents. So now I will need to change my document settings so I can view them or make them to be in the same line and side by side however I want. So basically you will need to go to the file menu and search for the document setup, and here it is. Or you can just do it by clicking on Ctrl plus Alt plus P as shortcut and click on it. And here we will need to uncheck the facing pages and click OK, and now you will have your pages like that. Now I will need to go to the multiple line option or icon, and I will need to uncheck the allow document pages to shuffle. So now you will have the ability to pull your pages and make them uh, side by side of with each other. You can do this with as many pages as you want, so you can take this spread and take it like that and have only 2 pages like this, then add more pages again and have 3 spreads if you want. And you can do this with multiple as many pages as you want in Adobe InDesign. So basically this is how you can view your pages side by side in the Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching and see you next time.